How to give a image background on Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily put a background of any color using your image. So if you have also already uploaded an image just like me on your particular resolution, you can also do so by simply tapping on this create button over here and just selecting the required resolution and just uploading your file. As you can see, I've already uploaded some of my images over here. So what I can do is, so in this example, I'll simply take two different photos so that I can show you with a variety. So let's say now I want this background to look like a little bit of different colorful. So I'll simply tap on this background color icon at the top of my options menu and simply choose any of the color that I want or that I preferred. So let's say I prefer this one over here. You can also choose multiple gradient colors or solid colors just like this. So once you're satisfied, you can always tap on share and save it on your device. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.